Hey guys, I am Kenneth from ZingTech here. So today we are going to unbox and review this brand new Huawei P20 Pro. So this phone retails at $1,120 in West, whereas I got it from Malaysia is about 3,299 ringgit. Now I am going to unbox the brand new Huawei P20 Pro. Right out of the box, we have the P20 Pro itself. The phone feels comfortable on my hand, and the version we got here is a graphite black version. Next, we have a SIM card eject tools. And inside the box, we have some menus and a clear case for P20 Pro. Other than that, we have a charging brick, which Huawei claims that it has a super charging ability. And next, we have the charging cable, a USB Type-C cable, a Type-C earphone, and a 3.5mm jack, iPhone jack to Type-C. This phone has one of the most powerful processors in the world. It uses Kirin 970 processor. In addition, it has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. It has a massive battery on it, and it can last for about 8 hours of continuous use on full load. Huawei also claims that 30 minutes of charge get 58% of battery back. The phone is using 5.0 Bluetooth and NFC too. This phone is also IP67 water resistant and dust resistant. Now let's talk about the display of the phone. The phone has 6.1-inch full view display, and it runs at 2280 by 1080 resolution. This phone do have a notch, a bigger notch than iPhone X, but you can hide it by changing in the setting. The thickness of the phone is 7.9mm with the camera bump and 7.8mm without the camera bump. On the right hand side, there is a power button and volume button. On top of the phone has IR blaster, which are hardly find in the smartphone these days. At the bottom of the phone, we have stereo speakers and a USB-C port in the middle. Be in mind that this phone doesn't have 3.5mm headphone jack, which I wish this phone has it. Back onto the camera of the phone. The camera on this phone is a beast, and it can take up to 40 megapixel picture. This picture is amazing, and by zooming in, you can really see all the details that provided by the camera. This can happen all thanks to the AI system that Huawei use, and the AI system actually helps to identify the object and adjust to the right color that the object is. Besides that, this Huawei P20 can capture up to 960 frames per second videos, and that is a very amazing super slow-mo videos. Other than that, you can also capture 240 frames per second videos and 120 frames per second videos too. The portrait mode on this phone is amazing too. It completely blurs out the background and focus on the object. And the front camera of the phone takes amazing pictures too by its 24 megapixel camera. That's all for this video guys. I hope you like it. Be sure to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment below. If you wish to purchase this beautiful P20 Pro, I will link it below. Please use the link below to support our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.